Hi, this is Roger. Thanks for dropping by. Sitting here watching the news early in the day. Instant change of plans. They did say it might get a bit colder towards the weekend. Well, now they mean it. That changes my plans. So today is Wednesday, and today we will start bringing back in the cymbidiums over the next couple of days, because of what I want to do with them regarding possible creepy crawlies and pests, and the way I want to deal with them. I can only bring a couple in at a time, but I'm going to film that. A lot of people have asked, how do I treat them when they come back in? I mean, a few spiders and things like that, I don't mind. I'll deal with them as and when they get anywhere near me. It's slugs and snails I have a specific problem with, and I'd rather not have loads of woodlouse in as well, because they tend to get in the bottom of the pot. So we'll be looking at the cymbidiums. So whereas in everything in bloom we didn't actually look at the potential spikes on those, we'll have a good look at these as I bring each one in, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do to hopefully limit the amount of damage pests and stuff can do. Yeah, you'll be surprised what I'm going to do. I'm going to set fire to them. He joked. But yeah, so that's the change of plan. I'll be working on the cymbidiums at least today and tomorrow. Friday is the Project Orchids summing up video for orchid number 2. Saturday I'm out all day. I will be filming the show, you know, the sort of display and all that sort of stuff. Possibly a look round the traders' benches to see what they've brought. And Sunday I'm off to Burnham's to look round the nursery and the Devon Orchid Society show, which includes displays by I think 4 different orchid societies, so there'll be plenty of footage from that. So next week I'll have lots of stuff to post, because all the filming will have been done. We'll see how we go, but as I said, the change of plans is that they're talking about, you know, the possibility of frost in sheltered places. That's the magic word. As soon as somebody mentions frost, then I think, right, that's it, cymbidiums are coming in. And I looked at the dates last year. I think I only had 2 last year outside. Can't remember exactly. But they came back in before October. So it started to get cold enough that I needed to deal with them before October last year. And here we are. It's the 11th of October. Yeah, so a good way into October this time, before that sudden drop in temperature takes place. So anyway, I'll film that later, and at least get the first one posted later today. So it's just to let you know there's a change of plans. It happens, you know, so I had other things I wanted to film. I'll get to those, you know, there's plenty of time. Nothing's urgent at the moment, but bringing the cymbidiums in has become urgent. I don't want them getting flower spikes damaged or anything like that as a consequence of just leaving them out that one extra day, because that's all it can take. Just one day is getting it wrong, and then you've lost your flower spikes. You know, all sorts of things can start going wrong. So yeah, I'll get this posted now early in the day so you know what's going on. And then the next video will probably be late this afternoon, something like that. UK time, obviously. UK summer time, as it still is. You get back to normal and rejoin the rest of the flipping world at the end of this month. Yes, there's other countries do this summertime thing, you know. Or we're not allowed to call it that now. It's called daylight saving. What nonsense. There's some people come up with some stupid things. Nothing changes. The world and the sun and everything stays exactly the same. All that happens is humans fiddle with their clocks. Nothing changes. Daft idea. Anyway, that's what's going on, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll bring some big cymbidiums back in, cluttering up the place. See you later.